What is this? It's a fish. Very good. There you go. You fix the fish. Go. Fish. Oh, look mo, look. Fish. Where? Here. Fish eye. Oh, next. Hold it like this. Put. Next one. Where? Here. Here, Hazen. Hazen. Here. Look, here. Next one. Next. Okay, fish. Next, what is this? Snail. Very good. Try to fix the snail. Very good. Next, what is this? Teddy bear. You fix the teddy bear. Here, hand. Good. Next. Very good. Next one. There you go. Thank you. Next. What is this? Whale. The whale. There you go. Look. Where? Whale. Next. Here. And next one. Tail. Whale's tail. Next. Very good. Next one. What is this? It's a airplane. Very good. Fix the airplane. Slide. Next. Go like this, oh. Where? Here. Hazen, right here. Here. No. Again, where is it? Here. Hazen. Here. Look at teacher's finger, oh. Here. Sige, go. Okay, next one. Next. Okay, very good. Airplane. Next, what is this? Lion. It's the lion. Excuse me po. Lion. Next. Last one. Very good. Give teacher high five. Good job. Next, we're gonna follow the pattern, okay? Let's start with this one. We have the triangle, square, hexagon, and circle. Color, blue, yellow, green, and red, okay? Follow the pattern. Look mo, look. Look. Color. Oh, look at this one. Blue triangle. Where's the blue triangle? Blue triangle. Good. Okay, put mo po. Next, color. Yellow square. Yellow square. Get the yellow square. Good. Sige, kaya mo yan. Next, green hexagon. Where's the green hexagon? Color green hexagon. Very good. Blue. Oh, look at this one. Look at the pattern. Look mo yung pattern. Oh, color blue circle. Okay, next. Yellow circle. Where's the yellow circle? Oh, look. Yellow circle. Next. Yellow hexagon. Yellow hexagon. Next to yellow hexagon, color green square. Next to green square, green triangle. Oh, look, green triangle. Green triangle. Where's the color green triangle? Oh, no, green triangle. Ate, look. Hazen, green triangle. Where is it? Green triangle. Next, color blue hexagon. Blue hexagon. Blue hexagon. Here. Blue hexagon. Next, yellow triangle. Oh, yellow triangle. Okay. Green circle. Green circle. And blue square. Okay, very good. Good. Next one, red square. Red square. Red square, red square. So you fix it. Next, circle, red. And last one, the triangle. Red triangle. Okay, very good. High five. Good job. Okay, ayan. Na-fix the alphabet, okay? Look for letter A. Where's letter A for alligator? A, alligator. Next, letter B, bear. How about C for the cat? Where is the cat? Meow. Where's the cat? Okay, very good. Sige, go. You fix it. Cat. Next, donkey. D, donkey. Elephant. E, elephant. Flamingo. F, flamingo. And then G, giraffe. Next one, hippo. Where's the hippo? H, hippo. I, iguana. Where's the iguana? Are you sure? Where's the iguana? Oh no. Green iguana. Look. At Hazen, look. Green iguana. I, iguana. H-I. Iguana. Next, J, jaguar. J, jaguar. How about the kangaroo for letter K? Kangaroo. Next, lion. Lion. And a macaw bird. Next. And newt. Where is the newt? For letter N. Newt. Next, ostrich. O, ostrich. O, ostrich. Panda, P. Panda. Oh, where's the letter P? N-O-P. Yan. Okay, next, quail. Q, quail. How about the rhino? R, rhino. S, sheep. S, sheep. Letter T, tiger.
Roar.
Roar, tiger. U, Uriel. V, vole. How about the wolf? For W, wolf. X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Baliktad po. Ganyan. X-ray fish. Here. X. Next, yak. Yak. And zebra. Go. You fix the zebra. Look mo. Look. Hazel, look at your work. Try again. Zebra. Put. Slowly. There you go. High five. Good job. Massage ako. May mamassage. Mamassage lang si Ate Hazel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one na. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. High five. How about your feet? Your legs? Oh, what's next to 20? 21. Next. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. How about this one? Next. 31. 31. Next. 32. 33. 34. 35. Next. 36.
Oh, this one is 9.
Next.
37.
37.
Oh, next.
38. 39. 40. Very good. High five. How about massage naman tayo?
Monkey.
What do you mean by monkey? Massage first, oh. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. What's next? 50. Next. 51. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. What's next? 60. How about the brush? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. What's next? 70. Ulit ko na. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. What's next? 80. Nice. One high five. Okay, how about your face? Let's massage your face. What do you want? Teddy bear? You want teddy bear? Color?
Yellow.
You want the yellow one? Okay, the yellow one is the teddy bear. Massage your face. Massage, massage. Massage face. Massage, massage. Wait. Massage, massage. Sarap bate. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Massage, massage, massage face. Very good. High five. Good job. Waiting hands, waiting hands. Hazen. Hazen, waiting hands. Eyes here. Eyes here. Ate Hazen, eyes here. Focus on your work. What is this? It's a watermelon. Are you gonna fix the watermelon, okay? Here you go. Watermelon. Fix the watermelon. Oh, watermelon. Start here. This one. Go. This. Put here. Next one. Next. Look mo. Look. Fix mo po. Fix. Paano fix? Yan. Okay. Next one. Oh, here. Watermelon. Go. Make a watermelon. Push mo. Push. Next. Okay, very good. Next, what is this? It's a mango. We're gonna fix the mango, okay? Mango. I'll start with this one. Here. Push. Yeah, use your finger. Push. Next one.
Animals ba yan?
There you go. Next.
Transportation or food.
Mango. Next, what is this? It's a...
Pear.
Okay, let's fix this. Wait, try again this one. This one. This one. Okay, next to pear. Pear. Here you go. Pear. Here. Ate, right here. Fix it. Push. Sige, push mo, push. Yan. Okay, next. Very good. Next one. Pear. Oh, here, here. Hazen, right here. Pear. Next. There you go. Next. How about this one? What is this?
Grapes.
Grapes. Very good. Oh, now you fix the grapes. Here you go. Go this one. Grapes. Go this one. Put mo na. Put. Here. Push. Next. Grapes. And this one. Oh, look, look. It's not right. Try again. There you go. Watermelon, mango, pear, and grapes. Very good. Okay, next one. I'm gonna remove the teacher and next one na tayo. Next, what is this? It's a banana. Very good. Oh, let's fix the banana. Here. Banana. Go, put it here. Banana. Next one. Very good. Next. Here, here, here. Push, push. This, yeah, next one. Oh, baliktad po, baliktad. Like this. Yan. Okay, next. What is this? Peach. Very good. Let's fix the fish. Peach. Oh, where's the puzzle? Here. Peach. Go, go, go. Here. Next. Next one. Oh, sorry. Oh, look mo. Look, look. Like this. Yeah, next. Uh-oh. Try again. Paano si Peach? Like this, oh. Oh. Here. Yan, Peach. Next, what is this? Lemon. Fix the lemon. Oopsie. Here, 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 here. Lemon. Start with this. Next. Next one. Oh, where? Where? Here, oh, sa baba, oh. Sige, go. Next. Very good. Next, last one. What is this? Orange. Let's fix the orange. Here. Orange. Up, 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 up. Dito sa taas. Yan. Push. Sige, more. Push. Yan. Next. Last one. Oopsie. Look mo, look, look. There you go. Banana, peach, lemon, and orange. Good job. High five. Okay, thank you.